Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of notifications on the application of Strava. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list we search about Strava app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank